X1 contains just the basics of time that will help you to answer any questions on this subject. Everything in this video you need to know. They will not tell you, you just need to know it in your head. So first of all, some of the time facts, some of the conversions. You need to know that a minute is 60 seconds. And you need to know that an hour is 60 minutes. And from there you can actually work out how many seconds there are in a whole hour. You need to know a day is 24 hours and that a year is usually 365 days, but every 4 years we have a leap year, which gives you an extra day, which is added on at the end of February. Moving on, you need to know the different number of days in each month. There are two methods that we've learnt already, which are in video G2. You can either learn this rhyme, 30 days has September, April, June and November, all the rest have 31 except February alone, which has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year, or there is the knuckle trick, which is in video H2. You don't need to know both, you can just pick whichever one suits you. The last thing that you need to know is the concept of 24-hour clock. Any time from midnight to noon uses the normal numbers that we see in telling the time from 0000 to what we call 1200 in 24-hour clock. If you don't use 24-hour clock but you use normal AM or PM, then AM is for anything before noon and you tend to put a colon between each of the two pairs of figures. So something like 11:55 would be 11, then a colon, and 55. You'd need AM for this one because it's in the morning. Once you get past noon, if you're sticking with a normal AM PM, then you switch to PM. If you're going for 24-hour clock, then the only thing that changes in the time is the hour. The minute part stays the same. So anything past 12 would add an extra hour on for each hour that goes past. So if it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you would say 1300, 2 o'clock would be 1400, 3 o'clock would be 1500, 4 o'clock 1600, and so forth all the way around. The last one you would get is 2300. The last two digits on each of these is the minutes. So if you're saying something like 6:30 in the evening, you would have 1800 for 6 o'clock, and then you'd put your 30 in at the end for the minutes. No need for AM or PM because the fact that it's larger than 12 shows you that it is past midday.